What if your daily shower quietly doubled your risk of falling? If you're over 60 or love someone who is, your normal shower time might be far more dangerous than you realize. Every year, more than 340,000 seniors end up in emergency rooms because of bathroom accidents. What almost nobody tells you is that these falls don't happen at random. In many studies, and in my own work with older adults, roughly 8 out of 10 accidents cluster inside just a few specific time windows. Most doctors never talk about shower timing safety because medical training focuses on drugs and procedures, not daily routine timing. And no company makes money from telling you to move your shower by 2 hours. But I've seen what happens when timing goes wrong. Broken hips, brain injuries, and preventable deaths, all from a simple shower taken at the wrong time of day. In this video, I'll show you the 6 highest risk shower times for seniors, explain what your body is doing in those hours, and give you 7 simple timing strategies that can dramatically cut your risk. This video is for educational purposes only. Always speak with your own health care provider before changing any medication or treatment. Let's start by mapping the danger windows. For most seniors, the riskiest times to shower are early morning, between about 6 and 9 a.m., especially within the first hour after waking. Within 2 hours after a medium or large meal. Roughly 30 to 90 minutes after taking certain medicines, like blood pressure pills, diuretics, strong painkillers, or anxiety drugs. The afternoon slump, usually between 2 and 4 p.m., late evening, from around 8 p.m. to midnight, when you're tired and lighting is worse, and deep night, between about 2 and 5 a.m., if you get up and try to shower or wash off. Here's what makes those times so dangerous. While you sleep, your blood pressure naturally drops, and your heart slows down so your system can recover. The moment you wake up, your body triggers a sharp morning surge in blood pressure to prepare you to stand, walk, and move. That surge can raise your pressure 20 to 40 points within minutes. Now picture stepping straight into a hot shower. Hot water on your skin tells your blood vessels to open up quickly, which can make your pressure drop just as fast. That rapid swing from higher to lower pressure is hard for an older body to manage. Your brain may not get enough blood for a moment. You feel dizzy, your vision grays out, or you black out while you're standing on wet tile. Early in the morning, your core body temperature is also at its lowest. Muscles and joints are cold and stiff, and your reflexes are slower. Even a small slip is harder to correct when your body hasn't fully warmed up yet. After you eat, for about 1 to 2 hours, extra blood is sent to your stomach and intestines to help with digestion. That means less blood available for your brain and leg muscles, and your blood pressure naturally drifts downward. Add hot water and steam on top of that, and lightheadedness or sudden weakness becomes much more likely. Medications add another layer. Many drugs commonly used by seniors have a clear peak effect window. Blood pressure pills push your pressure down most strongly 30 to 90 minutes after you swallow them. Diuretics reduce your blood volume by pulling fluid out. Strong pain or anxiety medicines can slow your thinking, weaken your balance, and delay your reactions. Each of these on its own might feel mild. When several peak together, the combined effect can quietly overwhelm your safety systems. And then there is aging itself. As we get older, blood vessels stiffen, the sensors that detect pressure changes respond more slowly, the inner ear balance system weakens, and muscles lose strength and speed. The shower routine that felt perfectly safe at 40 can genuinely be high risk at 70. So how do you use all this information without making your life complicated? Let me give you 7 specific strategies you can start using right away. Strategy number 1. Avoid early morning showers whenever you can. Don't go from bed to hot water in a straight line. When you wake up, sit on the edge of the bed for 30 seconds, stand up slowly, walk around for 5 to 10 minutes, and drink a glass of water before you even think about showering. If you absolutely must bathe early, keep the water warm instead of hot, and let the temperature rise slowly instead of jumping straight into very hot water. Strategy number 2. Keep at least a 2-hour gap after bigger meals. Don't shower right after breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's safer to bathe before you eat, or at least 90 to 120 minutes later, when digestion has settled and your blood pressure has come back toward its usual daytime level. Strategy number 3. Stay away from your medication peak times. Ask your doctor or pharmacist, when is each of my medicines at its strongest in my bloodstream? Write those times down. Plan your shower for at least 2 hours before or 2 hours after those peaks. If your schedule makes that impossible, lower the water temperature, sit instead of standing, and keep the shower short. Strategy number 4. Respect the afternoon slump between about to and 4 p.m. If this is the time of day when you usually feel sleepy, foggy, or weak, don't fight through it by standing in a steamy shower. Either move your shower earlier or later, or use a shower chair and drink some water before you bathe. Strategy number 5. Move showers out of late evening and night. Aim to finish bathing by early evening, around 4 to 7 p.m., while you're still reasonably alert and the bathroom is well lit. Late night or half-asleep showers, especially between 2 and 5 a.m., are some of the most dangerous for seniors. If you wake up sweaty at night, use wipes at the bedside and wait until daylight for a full shower. Strategy number 6. Choose 1 or 2 safe windows and turn them into a habit. Look at your own day and find a time when you are awake, hydrated, between meals, and away from medicine peaks. For many older adults, late morning, around 10:30 to noon, or late afternoon, around 4 to 6 p.m., works best. Treat that window as your regular shower appointment. Strategy number 7. Use backup protection when you cannot avoid a risky time. Life happens, schedules change. If you must shower during a danger window, sit on a sturdy shower chair, keep the water lukewarm. Instead of hot, limit the shower to about 5 minutes and let someone in your home know you re-showering so they can check on you if needed. Here's a simple action plan you can start today. On a sheet of paper, write your usual wake time, meal times, and when you take each medication. Mark off the first hour after waking, the 2 hours after each meal, your medication peak times, mid-afternoon, late evening, and deep night. What's left are your safer zones. Pick one main safe window for your shower and follow that timing for at least 2 weeks. Notice how you feel, less dizzy, more steady, more confident on your feet. If this information could help you or someone you love, share it with a parent, grandparent, neighbor, or friend. And in the comments, tell me, what time do you usually shower now? And what time are you going to try instead?